Alright. So basically, the power is hooked up to the accessory fuse right there. And then I took this out. And then I ran the power underneath this pillar over here. And then it tucks in right here. And then if you see right here, the power goes out. Alright? So if I take out this mat, all my wiring is in there, is underneath this. All the rest of the wiring. You see that? I use this as the ground. Had to take that out. And there's controller. Alright. That's really far. There's controller. And it's tucked in under here. The first one goes to this light right here. Second one goes to the passenger light over there. And the bottom two goes to the back two, obviously. And then you just tuck. And it, like, so easy to tuck them in. And to get to the other side, the LED, you could just run it underneath this. And there's you could pass it through over there. I don't know if you can see that, but my hand isn't on the other side right now. So you can pass it back there. And then, if you can see, I have it right there. And the back. Let's pull the seat up a little. You can see the LEDs under there. And then the other one. So, yeah. The sound mode is alright. You need to put it up to a certain amount. But the sound that's that. I plasti dipped the taillights. Right there. And right there. So yeah, everything's all good.